Hey guys, your girl Ify Oyoyendoke, and you're welcome back to another episode of Oyoyendoke Kitchen and Lifestyle. So on today's recipe, I'll be making a two ingredients dessert. Stay tuned to find out what we are going to use for our amazing dessert. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and do what? Give me some thumbs up and leave me some nice comments, guys. So let's get into it. For our two ingredients today, we'll be using lime jello, strawberry jello, and cream. So let's get into it. Alright, so we are ready for our mix, and we'll be needing 300 milligrams of boiling water. And also we add our gelatin into the bowl. Remember, we are using lime gelatin. So we'll mix thoroughly until smooth. Alright, so you can see everything is thoroughly mixed at this point. I hope you can see that. Alright, so for our jello mix, we are now going to get it into the blender. And we'll be adding 1/4 cup of cream. We're gonna give it a thorough blend. Alright, so make sure you grease your pan thoroughly so it doesn't stick on it. And I'm using this kind of shapy looking, nice looking pan for our dessert. Alright, so we are going to pour it into the pan. So guys, we are going to get this into the fridge and allow it to rest for 1 hour. So for the second part of our dessert, we are going to be using another 300 milliliter of boiling water. So this is completely boiled water. And also we'll be using strawberry gelatin. So you pour it in. This is about a total of 6 ounces of gelatin. Then you give it a thorough mix. You mix until smooth, until the granules are no longer felt. Keep whisking until smooth. Guys, you can see this is thoroughly mixed now, so we're gonna get it to the blender. Alright, so we're going to get this to the blender. And also remember, we are mixing, so we have 1/4 cup of cream. And we give a thorough blend. Alright, so now we are going to top our second layer gently. Ooh, looks amazing already. As you can see, it's ready. We are going to get it into the fridge and allow it to rest for 1 hour 30 minutes. So guys, our dessert is ready. So we're gonna get it into the plate. I'm gonna give it a little wiggle. Oh yeah. Let's see. I hope I got the wiggling right. So guys, our dessert is ready. You can see it's looking so good. This is another way to enjoy yourself after meals. So you just give yourself some little sweet treats that wouldn't hurt. And I'm gonna do justice to it. So let me take a cut and all right. Wow, this is amazing. I'm going to get it into a plate. Our jiggly, 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 jiggly. Good, guys, you can see this. Just take a look. Guys, I have an amazing person to do taste for me today on our yummy jelly dessert.
Hi guys.
All right, so let's see how she's gonna enjoy the jiggly jiggly.
Ooh, this looks good, mommy.
It looks good. It's nice. I'm glad it's nice.
It's like too good to be true. Am I actually eating this or am I dreaming?
And I like the fact that it can jiggle so nicely.
And it was like dancing, dance, 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 party, dance, dance.
So guys, you can try this. Just delicious dessert.
Yum.
So guys, we do thank you for watching our video today, and if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and leave us some nice comments and give us some thumbs up. Thank you. Woo, amazing. See our jiggly. This is so yummy. I can't even wait. I'm gonna